Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I am back with another video and welcome back to my channel. I'm here today to share a quick tutorial on how to do the memory decks card or memory decks envelope, you know, that you can do and make and decorate for any swaps that may come up. So I made this one, and I had Deb, who was Deb's Crafty Cottage here on YouTube. I think that's her name. I'm sorry, Deb. She said, yeah, I'd like a tutorial. I'm like, oh, okay, cool. It's really simple. It's really simple and quick. If you have the scoreboard, which makes it so much easier, I'm using a 6.5 by 6.5 cards. Well, it's pattern paper. It's thin. You could use double-sided paper like I did here. That I did a video before this and somehow I got ruined. Great, you know. Technology. Anyway, so let me start by you're going to cut this 6.5 by 6.5, and then I'm going to turn it over because it's one-sided, and I want this to be the outside of the envelope. You're going to place your paper at the 3 1/8. You're going to measure it to 3 1/8. You're going to punch, and I did not take out this, and then you're going to score. Okay. You're going to turn it around to that score that you just made. Let me bring you down so you can see what I'm doing. I never get that right. Get that lined up. And you're going to punch, and you're going to score. And that's pretty much it. I'm just telling you that that's all you have to do for this. Okay. So all you need, unless you want to do the corners, you do it on the other side. I'm sure everybody knows that. I'm not going to, because I think I'm going to use, I tested this out on plain, what do you call it? Plain copy paper, so I wouldn't ruin a paper. And I kind of lined it up, and I love this doily from Tim Holtz, and it's an oldie but goodie. It's a distressed doily, and it only does half a doily. And I don't have the packaging, so I would, but it cuts it out like this. I just love how that look, and I want to distress it anyway. And then you're just going to fold, you know, fold 3 sides up, and you're going to glue it. And then if you have the Heidi Swap punch, you can go ahead and punch it, or what I did with the other one I used the die, and I just measured where to place the holes. Because it was 110 cardstock, it did not fit in my punch. Okay, so this will definitely fit in there. And I'm just going to line that up. Should be right there. And voila. I didn't even have to do too much of a punch. And I think I'm going to use this to, you know, to cut it out, I think. I think I'm going to try that out. But anyway, but that's it. That's really all that you have to do. And you could either decorate it here or you could decorate it on the back, you know. And I think it's really a good idea to do this because you can add your information here versus in the back, you know. And I've seen Nada's work and it's just gorgeous. And that's it. It's nothing to it. Everybody can make it. You don't need a die, which I love. Um, but if you do have a die, you know, hey, that's great. Um, but I just wanted to come on real quick just to show how to put this together, the measurements, what you need to do with your scoreboard, and then now you just have to decorate. So pretty easy and quick to do and send to a friend or send to a swap. Easy peasy, right? So thanks everybody for watching. Have a great week and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you and have a good day.